Hey y'all, welcome. So today is my giveaway, Friday the 13th. Yay, so someone is going to have good luck rather than bad luck. Alright, so I'm going to post pictures and you're going to see it here that I used a random giveaway picker thing, whatever y'all want to call it. But before I announce who the winner is, let me show you all what is in here. So these are some water decals that I made. That will be in my shop, and then some stickers, and then just some random nail art items. These are more, I think these are water decals as well. I don't know. These come in a giveaway box, or it's not giveaway box. Yeah, a mystery box that I ordered from Nail to the Hustle. So there are those, and then there's some little bear charms, and it's got some little crystals in the gold. A nail brush. This also come in the mystery box that I got. It's a nail lamp. And then 3 colors that I thought would go good with each other. The yellow was just because it's spring. Anyhow, they're from Beetles. And you got a couple of different shades of gold here. And then this one is awesome. This here removes your gel polish like, oh, it's amazing. Y'all gotta, if you don't win, go to Amazon. This is where I got it. It's not that expensive, but it works beautiful. You just, rough up your gel polish just to get the shine off of it. Put this on, let it sit for, I don't know, about a minute. And man, it just, oh, it scrapes off beautifully. Anyhow, there we go. This is what is going in the giveaway box only if you are in the U.S. If you're not in the U.S., then I'll just send you an Amazon card through your email. All right, so the winner is, drum roll, excited? Do you think it's you? You? All right. Okay, here it is. It is Queen of Bling Nails and Beauty. So congratulations, Queen of Bling. You must contact me. The quickest way is to contact me is through Instagram. But you can contact me through my email or, my Facebook, whatever. I mean, all of my information is down below. Again, so YouTube, don't come after me. I am solely responsible. But yeah, as soon as you get a hold of me, let me know if you're here in the U.S. If you are, I need your address so I can get this mailed off to you. If you aren't in the U.S., then like I said, I'll need your email. So yeah. All right. I'm going to let you guys go. Oh, real quick. I won't be doing, well, I think I've got one more video to post, and it's of me doing these nails. But after that, it's just some other videos that I have done of unboxing a lot of my stuff. Because I am so busy. I haven't even had time to do a feel on my nails. Because I'm trying to get my business open. I'm going to have, nail decals. And then most of it's going to be resin work. So if you're interested in any of that, I'll post some pictures of what I do. You can even use it for your nail stuff, not just, for your home. But anyhow, I'm going to let you go. Quit talking. It's like almost 5 minutes. So I love you all. Thank you guys so much. And I will see you next time. Mwah. Bye.